Hey everyone, do you have a thirst for the latest in the world of credit cards? Well, quench it right here as we dive into some fresh news from Wells Fargo Bank. But first, a quick question. When picking up a business credit card, what's the number one feature you look for? Think about it. We're diving deep today. And if you enjoy this content, help us race towards 100,000 subscribers by just hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and fuel the comment with a fire emoji. Yes, you can make a difference. All right, let's dive right in. Wells Fargo is on the brink of unveiling 3 brand new business credit cards. Exciting, right? And if the whispers are true, we can see them in the next few months. Drum roll, please. Introducing Signify Business Cash Mastercard, perhaps for those who love cash back rewards. Next, the Signify Business Essential Mastercard may be the perfect essential card for all businesses. And last but not least, Signify Business Elite Mastercard. Sounds like a premium choice, doesn't it? For the loyal Wells Fargo cardholders out there, fret not. Continue swiping your credit card with pride. And a little birdie told me that these newbies might be replacing some oldies. Now let's talk benefits. After a bit of detective work, I found these cards come with a special priority pass membership. Sounds great, right? But a heads up. There could be additional charges for specific features, so keep an eye on those terms. Okay, now gear up because we're diving into feature territory. Employee perks. There is no extra cost. Wells Fargo's offer complimentary credit cards for your team. Isn't this great for tracking and managing business expenses? You can also travel with ease and pack your bags and jet set across the globe without worrying about pesky foreign transaction fees. Top-notch safety. You can rest easy, folks. These cards come with state-of-the-art fraud protection, and you'll always stay in the know, which will keep your finances under a microscope with easy-to-read online reports. This is actually perfect for understanding where every penny goes. Now, zooming out a bit, what's Wells Fargo up to? Simple. They're stepping into the ring with heavyweights like Chase and Capital One. With these fresh off the oven cards, they're aiming to carve a niche for themselves in the credit card world. Before wrapping up, let's spill some tea. It took me a minute to think about me doing this video because between us, you and me, I've had my ups and downs with Wells Fargo, and I pretty think at least 60% of you watching have your ups and downs with them too. But as always, I'm here with an unbiased fact because after some online hunting, it seems I'm not alone. The community seems split on these upcoming credit cards that's coming for the Wells Fargo business sector, and people want to know, are they going to be a game changer or just another addition to the pile? Okay, so over to you. What's your take on these new Wells Fargo teasers? I know I just mentioned the names and just a little detail about what these offer, but that's all they're giving us. So I just want to know, what's your take on these new Wells Fargo credit cards? Is this exciting times or are you just passing a cloud? And here's the deal. Once Wells Fargo officially launches the 3 business credit cards, you can bet I'll be back with a thorough breakdown on what is going on with these 3 business credit cards, and do we want to hit it or miss it? So make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe button so you can be alerted right when I drop that video, because you don't want to miss it. And hey, if you haven't yet, smash the like button and keep those fire emojis coming down in the comment section. Until next time, stay savvy and keep swiping, credit cousins. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.